Hey guys, this is where the train is. The train cars are not there anymore, are they?
These ones, no, it's clear.
Why are they? There's no train cars here anymore. Did they wait? Did the train has it now?
I don't know where they took them.
That's probably why. They're gone. Anything in the yard? Nope. Nothing in the yard. Wow. Where's the car? That David?
No.
How is he doing?
That's a road.
Huh?
That's a road.
Oh, it's a road. What road is it?
I don't know.
I think I see a train car. I think I see a back of one.
No, you're seeing...
Does that look like a boxcar or something? What? Oh no, there's a back of one. There's a boxcar up here.
That's at the...
Wait, that might be where the caboose is.
Yeah, that's where the caboose is, yes.
Alright guys, this is the CSX tracks. I don't think he's coming yet, but...
Can I get on my seat?
No, not yet.
Why?
I told you why, we're not going to be here long. We're just checking on this train, so to speak.
Huh.
Oh,
Not coming yet?
Hang on.
I've begun.
Dad,
What, dude?
this is where the train...
This is him up here, I think.
It is. They're going to switch the crews out. It could be a while.
You moving? Hang on.
I can't tell, is he?
Oh, maybe not. Can't tell.
I don't think he's moving.
Looks like he just has one car.
I'm sure he's got more than that, but he's not moving. Well, maybe.
Yeah, he's moving. But it looks like he just has one car.
But Dad,
No, it's got two.
Dad,
What, buddy?
Yeah, he's moving really slow. I don't think he's gonna take this track right here. Is he gonna turn on the turn track right here?
Maybe.
remember this was the
Yeah, he's
place where
moving.
we went for the train
And who the hell is that?
Yeah.
There's a person over there, I think. Yeah, he's moving. Well, are we gonna pull up here on this?
Yeah, if he comes through here, we'll pull over.
So we're gonna see it turn right here?
If it comes through, yeah.
Okay. Does he turn on that turn track right there?
Maybe.
When can I get out?
Yeah, he's gonna come through. Here he comes, I think. Here's train 9.
My seat.
Wait, yeah, 9.
You don't need to.
I want to.
And it's CSX. This is the eastbound. The signal was red yellow over there. The number is CSX, 35, I can't tell. It's 30 something. This is where the picnic is.
Yeah,
So the CN trains are way over there, but the CSX trains are much closer. You know? He's definitely gonna go through. I think he's gonna stop again. He stopped.
He's not
Hang on.
stopped yet, but he's close to it.
No, he's moving. I can see the cars over there turning. It's hard to see the number right now. So
Abrams.
one of those, it's also the CSS engine, it's one of the CSS engines with the bright numbers. It's also one of the trains, the very bright numbers, you know?
Yep.
I think it's gonna turn in a second.
Have you turned?
You see the number?
No.
No, okay. It's hard to see, but it's 3,121. That's what it is. Yep, guys, it's CSX 3121. He's stopping.
He's not stopping. He is turning.
He's turning.
I hear it.
I think it's gonna go through.
I hear the gate.
Yep, he's turning. He's got 2 engines. Alright.
You'll see it, buddy.
Did he hit the horn over here?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know if he hits the horn or not.
Come guys, here's 29 for this week. He's right here.
Ready, Abram?
Are you allowed to go
Look out your
closer?
window. See it? Yeah, you're allowed to go closer, but I don't want to scare him and act like I'm going to try to beat him.
Cool. CSX 3121 using CSX 122. I'm gonna do it right here. Keep on the horn.
What?
Is that him hitting the horn? He's going to cross that thing.
Way up there, yeah.
What?
Way up to the car.
If he hadn't pressed it up, we could race him. But I think he's going to be pretty long. Here's him at straight, too. Yep, here's 29 for CSX. Man, I've been looking forward to seeing a CSX on this track. There's an 11. Is this a good video? Keeping the camera still is not bad. That's what you're supposed to do, right?
Yeah.
What's that resistance in that building? You go up?
I think, oh, it's him up there at that road.
What?
It's him at the road up there.
You saw your Google?
I did. It's him at the road.
You mean that road that's close to here? I'm gonna roll window up. It's freaking cold. There's a cold car coming. Some other train took those cars, gas cars out with there. Now one of the other trains have it. This is that eastbound. Heck, this is the eastbound with the poots and stuff. So far, 2. Here comes a new tanker. Right there. We'll probably hear the horn again in a second. You think he's close over there yet?
No.
Yeah, we're not gonna reach him. I mean, we'll probably get.
The engine will probably be across Michigan Avenue before the back of the train's crossed here.
There's no railroad crossings here either. Do you see any more tanks? Do you see any new tankers yet? Now this train is basically eastbound turning northeast turning south. But down further it's gonna turn about the west.
When?
So,
It doesn't go west.
I go by that park. Here's a new tanker. The one with the blue bills, the blue wheelbarrows. What the hell does that mean?
What?
Is that equal sign? What the hell is that? Is that equal?
No.
I don't know what that is. Whatever that is, it's weird. Is it, do they have to put tags on train cars like that?
I don't know what it's for.
I think it's a tag. There's a new tanker. It's pretty long, isn't it? This is a long train.
I don't know.
I don't see the end of it yet. There's a gas car. Hear the horn again yet? You let me know.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Might stop.
Maybe.
There's no reason. What the hell is that over there? Train don't stop. Come on. We're stuck on the CN property. Well, that's we're on the CSX property. Yeah, that's where we're at right now, so. Hopefully there's no police or armies around, you know? Well, I think I see the end. Hang on, I'm not sure. If it stops, I'm not gonna make a part 2. This guy better not.
If it stops, we're gonna be stuck.
Did you hear him hit the horn yet?
Yep.
One.
Right now.
Yep, you hear the horn? That's the train. Stopping. Oh, you know what? Remember that one we seen before? Remember that one we seen a long time ago?
Yeah.
He went to the crossing up there and stopped, remember?
Yeah, now we're stuck.
That's what he's doing.
But remember, we're stuck.